Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix a payment method decline. Tap to continue, sign in, then update your billing info. So if you see this kind of error while purchasing on the App Store, if you want to fix that, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply close this page, and after closing this page, the first thing you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, you can simply restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second. And after that, you have to simply turn it off again. And after turning off the airplane mode, you have to simply go to settings. And after that, you have to simply go to general. And here, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to simply reset all of your network setting. And after resetting all of your network setting, you have to simply go back. Now if you want to change your payment method or want to verify payment method as it is been declined, so if you want to change or verify your payment method, so how you can do that? For this, you have to simply click on the name or Apple ID, and after that you have to click on media and purchases. And here you have to simply click on view account. As you click on view account, the new kind of interface will be available here. So here you will find all the detail related to manage payments, subscription, purchase history. So if you have any kind of pending purchases and if it is unable to verify, you are unable to verify your payment method, then you have to simply cancel all the pending purchases, so that there are no problem related to verify or removing of the payment method. So you have to simply click on manage payments, and after that you can simply update your payment method or verify your payment method. And after that, you can also check on the App Store whether you do not have any kind of pending purchases or pending payments. So if there are, then you will not be able to cancel or update the payment method. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.